Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 31st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the dollar CAD, we are pushing up very strong, and it never did break structure, to the downside. So this actually might just end up being a pullback within an uptrend. It may actually go up and hit one of these higher Fibonacci levels before we actually start the wave B. Definitely no break of structure tells me that the wave B may have not even started and we may still be in a wave A. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, this is the break of structure level right here. You can potentially be looking for longs ever since we had a break of structure up on Thursday, but this is the break of structure that's going to confirm that we have a much bigger move to the upside. So if it breaks that, that makes a pullback. That would be a really nice opportunity to go long, maybe even for like a swing trade. On the other hand, if it bounces from the 78%, which I don't really think it's going to because it's looking pretty strong, and then goes down and breaks structure, then you can stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. But like I said, I think it's going to continue to be bullish. I think that it probably will go up and test these highs, probably give us a higher time frame break of structure. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.